Sprite Cherry. One of you magnificent biscuits asked me to try it. Now, I've done this before and I didn't care for it, but that was like a year or two ago. Hopefully it's a different formulation. Oh, it's horrible. Horrible. Sprite, what have you done to Cherry? Oh, I gotta try it again. Don't make me try it. Oh. I have to psych myself up for this. You can do it, Rankin. God, it tastes like cough syrup. How did this ever get out of the building? They should have taken maraschino cherry juice and poured it in, because what you got is cough syrup. Honestly, it's horrible. How can you ruin Cherry? How I suffer for my loyal following. 1 out of 10. Disgusting still.